In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view all the content that belongs to your individual courses. In order to do that, we need to go to the Course tab in our navigation pane and select the course that you want to look at. So in this case, I'm going to look at the App Development course. The tiles along the bottom shows you all of the modules that belong to the course that you've chosen. So in this case, I know that there's 5 modules because it says so in the summary on my tile, and I can see them listed along the bottom in the carousel here. I'm going to select on the first one, and that will bring us into another view of this course. Again, it bumps the 5 individual modules up to the top here, and each module is really centered around an individual topic that the learner needs to learn as they work through the course. For example, the first one is build your app interface. So this is introducing HTML and basic HTML. Module number 2 is CSS, or cascading style sheets. This is what allows us to add formatting and colors and stuff like that into our applications. Module number 3 and number 4, this is where we actually start giving functionality. We start bringing those apps to life. Now they can actually do something, okay? And we do that with JavaScript. So these 2 modules introduce those topics, the code that they need, and practice doing that. Finally, the last module in this course is to build an app. So we walk the student through the process of adding some code that they've learned in the previous 4 modules and bringing it all together to build a little app that takes input from a user, performs a calculation behind the scenes, and then returns an output to the user. Inside of the module itself, we have all of the missions that are available. So for example, we've got lessons, editors, and if I click through here, you can see that we also have a quiz style mission. All right, so in this quick video, I showed you how to see all the modules that are contained within the course in your profile and the different mission types that allow the students to practice using the material that they've just learned.